If you're looking for video ideas on what to post on social media, you should go to Restoration Dentistry because they are killing it when it comes to short form videos and they are posting great content. Let's take a look together. Okay, here's Restoration Dentistry and let's look at the reels. Look at that. Over 100,000 views. They're getting it. They're killing it when it comes to videos. And so I'm gonna pick out a couple of my favorites. I love this one where it says stop using baking soda in your toothpaste. That's such a great hook. I want to learn more. And it's just the doctor educating me. He knows his stuff. And I love this one where it says, do I regret it? I'm like, what is this all about? And I'm seeing all these boxes, like 400 product boxes. I love it. And I love the use of scarcity used in it, saying we only have 400, comment box before it's gone, and let's see if it's working. Oh, look at that box. People are buying it. That's great use of scarcity in there. So way to go, Restoration Dentistry. Keep killing it. Just keep at it. If you want to see more content like this, give me a like, give me a comment, and I'll be sure to record more of it.